we can start heading back. I've done gassed up, ready to get back on the road toward Mississippi. Picked up a souvenir. It's probably gonna be the last entry from the road for me. What's going on, guys? It's a little dark out here. Rode 69 miles this morning, left Lakey, came back over here to Kerrville. I don't know if you can see that, starting to sit break daylight over the top of the hills right there, but it's supposed to be. Sorry, one of these days I'm gonna get me a newer camera that's better than low light. I'm gonna get my mirrors cleaned off. Be meeting other folks here that stay in Kerrville so we can start heading back. I've done gassed up, ready to get back on the road toward Mississippi. Been a great weekend. Not really looking forward to this long ride back, but it is what it is. Hope it goes better than the trip out here, and it goes a lot quicker. So, all right. Check back with you guys when everybody meets up, I guess. All right, we met up at the hotel. I guess we getting, what time we leaving out? About 9? Supposed to leave out at 9?
Oh, yeah, I think KFP said that, yeah.
All right. Ain't nobody sleeping late here today, are they?
No, everybody's ready to hit.
Yeah, Lee.
Hey, y'all, make sure you make it next year, y'all. Don't miss it, y'all. Y'all
It
miss
was
a
good.
good time and some good riding.
It was good. Y'all come next year.
Good people.
Yes, sir.
Waking everybody else up, huh?
picked up a souvenir.
I felt it. Man.
Yeah, that on your bags, on your pipe, some on your primary right there. Woo. Man, that's gonna be fun to clean off. All right, peoples. Bishop, tell everybody how much you love Texas.
We don't use profanity right here, but at this moment, I don't think I need to. Because if I do, y'all really wouldn't like me.
Nothing against our Texas folks. We're just glad to be out of Texas, that's all. Maybe if they wasn't working on every interstate at the same time, it wouldn't be so bad. But it's probably gonna be the last entry from the road for me. I'll holler at you guys when I make it home, or tomorrow, one of the two. We're gassing up in Texarkana. All right, it's gonna get dark on us. We're gonna probably hit some rain. It's gonna get colder, so we'll check in with you guys at the hacienda. What's going on, guys? It is, of course, the next morning. I didn't do any more recording last night after that last gas stop because evidently it was dark, and we didn't really come through any rain, but it had rained, so the roads were wet. Vehicles and trucks and stuff, you know, throwing up a bunch of water, and just trying to focus on the road and seeing the deer on the side of the road, praying they didn't come out in the road, all that good stuff. And so we got back to Memphis. Bishop split off and went to his house, and I came on to my house. I think it's about another, really about 85 miles, something like that. And got in at 12:30, and see what we got here. We did total from the time I left my house to getting back home 2,188 miles. Did 954 yesterday, and of course that's what the odometer on the bike says, so in truth it was probably, maybe, I don't know, 940, 930 something, but a lot of miles. I was tired, of course, when I got in. Did that, and I think we left out, I believe, in Kerrville when everybody left was just before 9 o'clock, so about 15 and a half hours for us to make that ride back all the way back home, and a lot better than the 20 and a half hours it took us to get out there. But anyway, and you know, we were joking around at the gas station talking about how glad we were to get out of Texas, and really enjoyed being in Texas. Love the people in Texas, but man, it's just like every interstate there was being worked on. Of course, when I got back into Mississippi, I-22 running from Memphis to Tupelo, they had a couple of sections of it that was only one lane and all that. Half of it, man, it was like driving in the middle of nowhere. They need to restripe the center line, restripe the sides, everything. It was way darker than it should have been. But anyway, yeah, got that mileage in, and had a great trip, had a great time out there in Texas at Twisted in Texas too. And I want to thank Jack over at Bogey Biker and Kelly B for putting that on. Really enjoyed going out there, really enjoyed riding the Three Twisted Sisters. Beautiful country out there, and really glad I got to meet some of you guys out there and talk to you for a little bit. Really enjoyed that, and man, it's a good weekend, good trip. And I got to get to editing some videos. Of course, by the time this comes out, you probably will have seen all of them. I may end up doing maybe a longer version of just the ride on some of the sisters and stuff for anybody that wants to see that. But yeah, I got to get the bike cleaned up and all that good jazz. And really enjoyed the concert out at the cabins. Jay playing, you guys really enjoyed that. I enjoyed talking to some people out there, and as I said, getting to see some people that I hadn't seen in a while and meeting some people for the first time. Always a great time, great event, great to see people, meet people and all that. And man, got this, supposed to be about 60 here today, but came in last night, boy, I was cold. I went inside and started getting all those layers off and everything, and realized I was colder than what I actually realized. So it took me a while to warm up. Still trying to warm up today, I think. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this up, and appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed some of the content. Been out in Texas, had a good time out there, and let's say keep an eye out. I may do some longer videos of the actual ride on the Twisted Sisters or some of that I was able to get. Got a lot of footage I'm gonna have to work through, and probably will be working through for a while. But I'm gonna get back in the house, try to rest up for work tomorrow, and appreciate everybody that has subscribed. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stay safe out there. Try to get as many miles in as you can on the bikes before winter gets here, and hope to see some of you out on the road. I get a chance to ride and get out and see some stuff. See me, holler. And as always, catch you guys in the next one.